Hello, friends. Thank you so much for your warm response for our channel. We would like to launch our new daily motivation initiative for all our subscribers. Our daily motivation may help people to change their thoughts and mindset. Okay, let us see today's motivational quote. All our dreams can come true if we have the courage to pursue them. Research says if 100 people have a dream to succeed in their life, only 10% of people can succeed in their goal. Why? Balance 90% of people are afraid to take next step towards their vision. If you want our dream to come true, we must follow with courage. So today, we will focus on our goal with the courage to be succeeded. Let us believe ourselves. Let your dream come true. I hope you like and subscribe to our channel for your daily motivation. Thank you.